For those of you who are Elvis fans, you already know what today is. It's his birthday. Can you believe that the king of rock and roll would have been 85 years old today? And to celebrate, instead of making a cake with his favorites, peanut butter, bacon, and bananas, we're making one that was near and dear to him. A whipping cream pound cake. It's so good that after just one bite, it'll have you all shook up. To make it, all we do is beat together some butter and sugar until it's creamy. Then we add our eggs. The key here is to add them one at a time. Some flour goes in next. And once it's mixed, we add some heavy cream, followed by the rest of the flour and a little bit of vanilla. Once the batter's smooth, we spoon it into a bun pan. Now this goes into, get this, a cold oven that's not preheated. Then we set the temperature to 350 degrees and bake it until the center sets up. Sure, you can serve this topped with some powdered sugar, which makes it birthday special. Or you can take it over the top and drizzle each slice with our homemade whipped cream glaze. The recipe for what we call Elvis's whipping cream pound cake is on our website, along with a few of his other favorite recipes. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a love me tender way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.